Welcome to Jumbula. In this video, we guide you on navigating the complexities of after-school program costs. Let's get started. As after-school programs become an essential service for working parents, the most common question we hear is, how much does it cost? The answer varies significantly based on your location and the type of care you choose. Today, we'll break down these costs and help you find the right balance between quality and your family budget. 4 key factors drive the price of after-school care: where you live, who runs the program, the qualifications of the staff, and any extra activities like STEM or arts all play a major role in your final weekly or monthly bill. Geography is a major factor. In major cities like New York or Los Angeles, families might pay upwards of $250 per week due to high real estate and staffing costs. Conversely, suburban and rural communities often offer similar programs for nearly half that price. While prices fluctuate, the national weekly average sits between $100 and $150. For parents who need only a few hours, the hourly rate is typically $8 to $12. Keep in mind that summer or holiday programs are often priced separately and can be more intensive. Who runs your program matters. Public school-sponsored programs are often the most affordable because they use existing facilities. Nonprofits like the YMCA offer a middle ground with sliding scale fees, while private tutors or specialty academies command premium rates for smaller group sizes. Specialized learning, like robotics or music, adds value but also cost, often ranging from $150 to $300 per week. If your schedule is unpredictable, look for drop-in models where you pay only for the hours you use, though these carry a higher hourly rate. Don't overlook the hidden fees. Most programs have an annual registration fee. Also, be wary of late pickup penalties, which can be as high as $3 per minute in urban districts. Ask whether snacks and transportation are included or will be added to your weekly bill. You don't have to carry the cost alone. Look into the Federal Child Care and Development Fund (CCDF) for vouchers based on your income. Many community nonprofits also offer sliding scale fees that adjust the cost based on your family size and earnings. Tax season can provide relief. The Child and Dependent Care Credit allows you to recoup up to 35% of qualifying expenses. Additionally, if your employer offers a dependent care FSA, you can set aside up to $5,000 pre-tax, saving you a significant amount on your overall tax bracket. Shift your perspective from expense to investment. Higher cost programs often provide better safety with a 1:10 staff-to-child ratio. These environments also foster better study habits, social resilience, and specialized skills that pay off long after elementary school. Be proactive to save. Register early to lock in lower rates and ask about sibling discounts. You can also use digital platforms like Jumbula to set up autopay, which helps you track every invoice and avoid those pesky late payment penalties. Ultimately, the right program is the one that fits your child's needs and your family's schedule. By weighing the costs against the long-term benefits like academic confidence and safety, you can make a choice with confidence. Using modern tools makes managing this essential service easier for everyone involved. For more info and resources, visit jumbula.com.